It's Luz again. This is part 3 of how to make planters out of dresser doors. Today I'm going to plant some seeds for you, but before that I'm going to tell you why I decided to make a third part. It's a telenovela, la novela de Univision. I was looking to buy seeds at Amazon and I came across this package of seeds for $1 and free shipping. And I said, wow, by the time he pays or she pays Amazon and pay for shipping, she's basically giving me 100 seeds for free. So I planted the seeds, and when I tell you the quality of the seeds is an amazing gift. And I want to show you, I wanted to bring the pot, but it was too big. My pot is beautiful. This is the leaves. Look at how beautiful they are. I wish I can zoom in so you can see it, and they're delicious. So today I'm going to show you how to plant it. But first I want to tell you the name of his little site. And it's beautiful. And all his seeds are very cheap. For me, it's like a gift. And he or she doesn't charge for shipping. The site is called The Seed Plant. www.theseedplant.com. And I'm sorry I have an accent. I hope you can understand me. www.theseedplant.com. And I ordered more seeds, and I was waiting to do this video because I wanted to plant something else there, but I guess they're very busy at Amazon with everything that is happening. So without further ado, let me start. So the seeds are small. And if you wonder what are these little sticks, my sushi utensils, I have a lot of kitty cats in the neighborhood, and they think that I did this for them. So I had to put all those little sticks to let them know, you cannot come use my planters. So I actually used the sticks to guide me. So I just put a few seeds in a row. You know, like maybe an inch apart. And like I say, guys, these are amazing seeds. They sprout real quick and they give you delicious spinach. And I'm going to be making part 4 when everything is growing. And sometimes you plant seeds and they don't grow, but don't give up. You keep on planting. See, I spread them out. And I'm sorry about the hair, guys. Quarantine. Do the best I can. Maybe a few more. Oh, I don't have that many left. I spread them out. I need to buy some nets. Because maybe the birds... Are you watching me? Are you coming to steal my seeds? And then I have a little bit of soil here left. And I like to sprinkle a little bit of soil. Hide them from the birds. And that's it. And then softly I pack them. Very soft. and then I will water them a lot. And then that's it. And when my other seeds come, I will plant some over there, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And let me see if I can get up. Bye.